Look at him! He's sleeping so peacefully.
Should we wake him up?
Let's bring him his presents.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Tom! Surprise!
Be good for Mom, son.
I will, Dad.
Love you.
Love you too.
See you tonight, love.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye, sweethearts.
Almost there, kids!
I see it!
It's so big! Just a few more minutes. Welcome, please follow me.
Wow, look at the lights! Right this way, madam.
Thank you so much. Everything is beautiful.
Can we sit here?
And the Queen requests cake.
I want cake too.
Yes, the King grants it. Oh, the Queen demands it. Oh my. I'm so sorry. Tom? Oh, I am so sorry.
It's okay, Mom.
We'll help fix it. I'm so sorry. I can wash dishes, anything to pay for this.
Thank you for your honesty, ma'am. We can help you with that. Happy birthday, Tom. Everyone here is wishing you the best.
It is? Happy birthday, Tom!
Happy birthday! Look! Oh, wow! It's for you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear Tom! Happy birthday to you!
He blew it out! Yay!
Honesty, saying sorry, and kindness can turn a bad situation into a beautiful memory.